Hi guys, this is a video on how I apply my false lash. This is Sonne's 8D Mink false lash, and this is Sonne's glue. Is waterproof glue. Yeah, waterproof. So here I'm basically trying to apply the glue on the lash. Yes, on the false lash. I'm applying a generous amount so that when I stick the false lash on my natural lash, it will stick properly. Yes, that's what I'm trying to do here. And I also did the same on the second one off camera. So now I'm trying to place it on my natural lash. Yes. Just make sure you place it close to your natural lash, and then you just adjust it to the way you want it to be. Okay, just adjust it. It doesn't just take time. It's so simple, so easy. You adjust it, you're good to go. Okay, and if it doesn't feel like it's good enough, you can still adjust it. Okay, then I'm applying the second one. I'm trying to adjust it right now. You just adjust it to the desired length where you want it to be. Just make sure you place it at the right spot. Then if it doesn't feel right, if you feel uncomfortable, try as much as you can to adjust more. I just like this one right here is just trying to give me headache, but at the end of the day I overcame. Yes guys, so this is it. Tell me how you like it. Thank you. See you.